Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you the different ways to cash out your earnings from DoorDash. One of the fastest ways to receive your earnings is by using FastPay. FastPay allows DoorDash drivers to cash out their available earnings on the same day instead of waiting for the weekly payout. To use FastPay, you must have an eligible debit card linked to your DoorDash account. Prepaid cards are generally not supported for this feature. Keep in mind that every FastPay transfer includes a $1.99 transfer fee. If you don't want to pay a transfer fee, you can use direct deposit instead. With direct deposit, DoorDash sends your earnings directly to your linked bank account without charging a withdrawal fee. Simply add your bank account information in your DoorDash payout settings and wait for your scheduled payout to be deposited automatically. Another option is Dasher Direct. With Dasher Direct, you can receive your earnings immediately after completing each eligible delivery instead of waiting for the weekly payout. To use Dasher Direct, you'll need to sign up for the service and activate your Dasher Direct card before you can receive instant payouts. Choose the payout method that works best for you based on whether you prefer instant access to your earnings or free scheduled bank deposits. That's all you need to do. Those are the available ways to withdraw your DoorDash earnings. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.